Hi friends, you're watching movie reviews with Raghuram. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Hindi movie 420 IPC. 420 IPC is premiering on Z5. It is a crime, suspense, thriller, drama. IPC section 420, we all know that it deals with the cases of cheating and fraud, especially in relation to the property issues. Vinay Pathak plays the role of chartered accountant. Initially, he is investigated and interrogated in a flyover scam, and later he is released because there are no evidences against him. Later, the same Vinay Pathak is arrested in a bigger scam of theft, fraud, forgery and economic offence. Since he is charged in almost 2 cases, he is now considered as a habitual offender. Vinay Pathak is bankrupt now and he is in bad need of money, and that also becomes a motive for those offences which are charged against him. Now Vinay Pathak has only one hope. That hope is the lawyer whom he has hired. The role of Vinay Pathak's lawyer has been played by Rohan Vinod Mehra. So Rohan not only takes the case but also investigates into the deeper layers of the case and then runs an interesting courtroom drama in which the truth is bifurcated from the lies. And as the suspense unfolds itself layer by layer, all the dark secrets related to these offences surface. All dots are connected and the movie ends in a wonderful and mind-blowing, unpredictable climax. So is Vinay Pathak innocent or fraud? Is he a culprit or a scapegoat? I'm not going to reveal anything more. You need to watch 420 IPC to know the rest of the story. One thing I can assure you is 420 IPC is a very intriguing, interesting and gripping story. The movie will keep you hooked and booked and you're invested in every frame of the movie from the beginning to the climax. Now let me tell you what catches your interest, what keeps you invested in the movie, what engages you in this wonderful thriller. Number 1, a good screenplay and brilliant story narration. The story of the movie is not only interesting, it is tight, it is intriguing, it is gripping. It has lot of twists and turns and plenty of suspenseful moments, especially in the second half of the movie. And of course, as I already said, an unpredictable climax. One thing I want to stress upon here is there is no deviation from the plot at all. Brilliant screenplay, I should tell, very tight and engaging. There is no deviation, there is no unnecessary addition of commercial elements into the movie. There is no wastage of time at all. Right from the moment go, right from the first scene, first frame, the director directly takes you into the plot. The entire length of the movie and the story narration just sticks on to the narration, just sticks on to the plot and doesn't deviate anywhere at all. Now coming to the next strength of the movie is a brilliant cast ensemble. You have Vinay Pathak who has carried the entire plot on his shoulders, and what an actor he is. You have the young Rohan Vinod Mehra playing his lawyer, and his role is brilliant. And watch out for one character, Ranveer Shore. I just loved his character. He speaks with a Parsi accent and his role is ultimate, I should tell. The interesting courtroom drama and the arguments and counter arguments between Rohan Vinod Mehra and Ranveer Shore are the show stealers of the movie. Gul Panag plays the role of Vinay Pathak's wife, and her role is also good. And watch out for Arif Zakaria, he gets a meaty role in the movie. And next I would love to focus on the courtroom drama. The courtroom drama and the courtroom scenes are really magnificent. The points on which there are arguments and counter arguments have been thoroughly researched. The next strong point of the movie is its shorter length. In spite of the length of the movie being short, things are not hurried, number 1, and unnecessary things are not pushed into the movie. Last but not the least, I would love to credit the success of the movie 420 IPC to the captain of the ship, to the writer and director Manish Gupta. Commendable job, sir. So 420 IPC is one of the fantastic movies ever made on economic offences. It is highly gripping, engaging and thoroughly researched. I loved the movie 420 IPC, and on my scoreboard I would go with 8.5 out of 10 for 420 IPC. Thanks for watching my video. If you loved my video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch up with you all in my next video with yet another movie review. Until then, do take care. Goodbye. Namaste.